Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed, should I subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen? Yes, you should. Mr. Belle take you step by step. And if you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today, Mr. Belle going to be doing something different. Today, I'll be making some sweet potato cornbread. Today, my ingredients is 1/3 cup of milk and 1/3 of vegetable oil and 1 egg and a 1/3 teaspoon of cinnamon. And I'll be using some of these nice candy yams. You could use any kind of candy yams you want. You can bake your own candy yams to do it. Today I'm using some of these out the can. And I will be using this cornbread mix. You can use any kind of cornbread you want to use. It's up to your choice what you want to use. Today Mr. Belle gonna do it like this. So I'll be right back. Okay, I put a little butter in here and I'm gonna just let this butter melt and everything, just like that. As you see, it's melting pretty good. As you see, I put my potatoes in. I'm gonna just smash them out real good. And I'm just gonna add my brown sugar in there. It makes it up real nice and good. I'm going to add my cinnamon. I'm going to just stir this up real nice and good. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pour my mix into this bowl right here. Pour my milk in there. A little oil in there. Just going to crack one of these eggs. Put it in there like this, it's gonna go everywhere. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stop it right now and I'm gonna put my sweet potatoes in. I got them nice and brown and everything, just put that in there too. Okay, that's looking nice and good. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put it in the pan. I have my pan's greased, so I'm gonna just put it in nice and good. Just put it in just like this. See how nice that look? And you see I set it on 375 for 30 minutes. And I'm gonna let it preheat. I'm gonna start it and let it preheat first. Okay, it's finished preheating, so now what I'm finna do, I'm finna put it in here. And we're gonna let this bake and I'm gonna close it. And I'm gonna just let it bake. Okay, as you see, it's rising pretty good and everything. That sweet potato cornbread gonna come out real delicious. Okay, I got a fork, I'm gonna pull it out and see how it's coming out. Stick it in there, see how this cornbread is coming out. And just stick it in there like that. Yeah, the fork is clean. This is just about done. So this is done. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it out now. And I didn't use the whole 30 minutes, I only used 27 minutes. So I'm gonna take it out and let it sit and let it cool off. As you see, it's looking nice and good and everything. And this is my first time making one of these, my first time using this oven too. Looking nice and good. I'm just gonna sit it up here for a minute and close it and let it cool off. I'll be right back. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do a taste of this sweet potato cornbread. As you see, it came out nice and good and everything. I'm gonna taste it, look delicious and everything. Okay, this right here is the sweet potato cornbread. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment in the box. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Hit that bell to subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you.